Hello everyone! Welcome ulit dito sa aking channel and today's video. Isang loan app pa rin yung i-share ko sa inyo na pwede daw tayong makahiram ng 1,500 hanggang 40,000 pesos at pwedeng matanggap yung loan proceeds sa loob lamang ng 5 minuto. Okay, so busisihin natin yan mga beshes, pero bago ang lahat, kung ngayon ka nga lang dito sa aking channel, meron nga po akong good news kasi every Saturday namimili po ako ng 3 na mabibigyan nga po natin ng cash. At every 25th of the month, nagpapag-giveaways nga din po ako ng cellphone. So, bali ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay i-comment kung ano yung napanood mo, i-like yung video, i-share. At syempre, huwag mong kalimutan na mag-subscribe para maging updated ka nga sa announcement ng ating cash and cellphone giveaways at sa mga bagong videos na ina-upload natin, yung mga legit at hindi nga legit na pwedeng mautangan online. Here nga mga beshies, El Peso Secure Online Loan under ng Singularity Lending yung pag-usapan natin. So, once na i-open natin agad-agad mga beshies, ay makikita nyo kung magkano yung amount na pwedeng mahiram. At sa akin nga, 500 to 15,000 daw yung pwede kong mautang dito. At may mga gustong i-access na naman sa ating cellphone. So, kailangan nyo lang basahin kung hindi kayo tinatamad. So, ayun mga beshies, permission. Kailangan na nga nating bigyang permission para i-access nga nila itong gusto nila. Like yung location, yung camera. Kailangan nga lang natin mga beshies ilagay yung ating valid mobile number. At syempre, once na-click mo yung login or register, meron na naman tayong matatanggap na one-time password. So, ilalagay nga lang natin dito. So, login syempre kung meron tayong dating account and register. Kung wala pa or makikreate ka pa lang ng account mo dito sa El Peso. Registered nga daw ito sa Securities and Exchange Commission under ng Singularity Lending. So, ayan, lalagyan nga lang natin dito yung ating mobile number, syempre, at one-time password na naman. Kailangan lang din natin na ma-input dito. At may matatanggap tayo, syempre, na one-time password. Same lang din naman ito sa iba't ibang mga loan app. So, input na nga lang natin dyan. At eto na nga, 500 to 15,000 yung pwede kong mautang. May 91 days to 365 days or 3 months hanggang 12 months daw na loan terms. So, authorization, your personal credit review did not pass agad-agad. Please try again in 7 days. So, nakakaloka. Re-apply after 24 hours agad. Auto-submit yung application ko dito sa El Peso mga beshies, pero declined. Okay, so, ang okay naman dito, pwede daw natin i-request para ma-delete yung ating information. For example, account deletion, mamimili ka lang dyan. For example, sa akin, unable to borrow money. So, i-click lang natin yung code. May matatanggap tayo na one-time password na naman. Na-input nga lang natin dyan para ma-delete nga yung ating accounts. Account deletion warning. Before deleting your account, please settle all pending in progress loans. So, your profile information has been deleted. So, na-delete nga daw yung account ko or yung mga infos. Syempre, yung mga infos na nailagay ko dito sa kanilang app. So, okay naman. Pero totoo kaya yun na na-delete talaga. Diba? So, ayan. Pwede daw i-request na ma-delete yung account dito. And, syempre, hindi yun nagtatapos. Hindi lang doon nagtatapos yung ating video. So, nag-check ulit ako dito sa El Peso app. Dito ulit tayo sa critical at i-check natin yung iba't ibang reviews. Sabi nung isa, auto-reject and will ask to wait 24 hours to reapply unreliable when emergency. So, diba, sa akin nga din after 24 hours daw, pwede daw ulit akong mag-try na umutang dito. Next, not a very good loaning apps. Yes, they will offer you a good credit but the interest is high. Taas yung interest and this app only good at first. I paid my loans in advance to make a loan pero hindi daw na-aprobahan. You'll keep on getting texts from random numbers to apply for a loan. When you do, interest rates are so high plus it takes way too long for the loan application to be approved and disbursed. Then when it's your due date, they'll bombard you with harassing and threatening messages, calls. I'm fine paying the overdue penalties and I choose not to pay right away. Maraming hindi magandang naranasan daw isang client na nag-apply. My account is locked. I have been messaging them to help me unlock it. They couldn't give me clear instruction on how to unlock it. Diba? If I could give 0, I will. This is very scam and definitely a liar. They will offer 8,000 and you will receive 7,175. And for 7 days, you need to pay 10,200. So, don't be scam like me. So, diba, like nung isa nga na 8,000 yung na-approvehan sa kanyang loan application, ang natanggap ay 7,175, pero kailangan niyang magbayad sa loob ng 7 days ng 10,200. Mataas pa rin po talaga yung processing fees. Diba? At sabi nga nitong isa pa na scam app always texting you but when you try it at madedecline lang din pala. Next, I was offered a loan, then when I tried to decline the offer for reason of terms of payment is so short and was expecting an amount that is offered by the agent, even when I got approved automatically, they changed it to not approve, and then the next day, they sent me a text message again that I was approved, and ayun, decline lang din pala. So, bad apps, you don't even exceed the due, you want to pay it immediately, the interest is still high, they will give you almost half and pay it in just 1 week, diba? If you can pay your due cheaply, you will be harassed and threatened. So, diba nakakaloka? Naka-experience itong isang borrower ng pangharas and ibang mga loan up at pananakot. Nothing you can talk over here. You will be completely embarrassed even though your friends and family without knowing they took numbers. Next, I could rate this up 0. Then I requested for a loan cancellation since their fee is so high, you only get half of the amount you're expecting. But when I contacted the customer service, they're telling it's not an option. Diba? So, I even immediately sent them back the amount they gave. Sabi nga nitong isa. And then, their reply said, it's not enough for the principal amount. I am reporting this. So, di ba nakakaloka? At napakarami din talaga yung hindi nga maganda yung naging experience sa loan app na ito. And akalain mo sa akin, auto-reject yung loan application ko. Kahit hindi ko alam kung ano nga ba yung reason ba. Bakit na-decline yung loan application ko? And para ka lang nagsasayang, di ba, ng oras sa pag-apply dito. Though may mga nagsabi naman na na-aprobahan ng kanilang loan application, kaya lang ang problema talagang hindi maganda yung naging experience nila, napakataas pa rin yung processing fees, yung service fee ng loan app na ito. At syempre, hindi mo matatanggap ng buo yung utangin mo kasi nga, kakaltasan muna nila yan ng iba't ibang fees na gusto nilang ikaltas at kung ano yung matitira. Yan lang yung matatanggap nyo. Kaya sana huwag nyong i-download or huwag na kayong umutang sa ganitong mga loan app kasi instead nga na makatulong sa atin ay mas lalo pa tayong ilulubog sa utang at syempre, mas ma-stress pa tayo, diba? Yung happy life mo dati nagiging worse or nagiging stress na stress ka dahil sa pagtatry mo na pangungutang dito sa iba't ibang mga loan app na may mataas na interest processing fees ng haharas na loan app. Okay? So, yan lang mga besties. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Sana like nyo din po yung video at huwag yung kalimutan na i-share. Thank you guys and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!
Subscribe na para makasali sa pa-GCash at cellphone giveaways na mai-announce every 25th of the month. Mechanics! 1. Find the 3 words in this video. 2. I-comment ang 3 words in order. 3. Like this video, subscribe, comment, and share. If declined sa bank and other loan apps, pwede niyong subukan yung ibang options. See the links sa description at sa comment section below. Click the link and apply. Disclaimer: try or apply at your own risk.